Hi dear Scorpio, I hope you guys are really well, and this is the reading for December month of 2020, and I am taking the month week wise. So in the first week of December, what you are doing is going through mental conflicts. Then you are rejoicing in celebration, and there is fertility as well. Okay, so yeah, just give me a sec. Okay, so Scorpio, in the first week of December, you are going through some kind of mental conflict and inner conflict. It is, I don't think it is kind of a quarrelsome or some kind of fighting with somebody. It is like you are fighting your own battles, you are fighting with your own demons, and there is rejoicing and celebration as well. After this mental conflicts going on, you are celebrating something. Maybe you are going to a birthday party, or maybe you are going to celebrate your own birthday. Not your birthday, it is not a Scorpio season anymore, I think, I hope. But yeah, sorry for the interruption. So yeah, you are going to celebrate something this week for sure. You are going to celebrate with your friends, maybe some kind of pre-Christmas party, some kind of New Year party, maybe some kind of financial gain. So you are going to celebrate something in this week, and fertility period is there as well. If you are a female and you are married or you have a partner, there are high chances that you might be pregnant, or you are going to be pregnant very soon, or you will get a beautiful news of getting pregnant in this week. You have a reason to rejoice. Now what I can see is you are going through lots of mental conflict, but that mental conflict is not stopping you from having a celebration. And then there is fertility as well. Maybe this pregnancy news will make you rejoice this period, and maybe this pregnancy news is going to make you feel happy. And if you're not pregnant, or if you're not like in a relationship or married, so this is kind of energy that you are going to grow up creatively. Creativity is at its level high, and you are going to give birth to so many ideas, so many good things, so many beautiful things, and this is going to be a reason for you to be very happy in the first week of December. God bless you, Scorpio. Okay, so in the second week of December, what we can see is the Power card, the movement, choices, decisions, and then fulfillment of wishes. Lucky you, Scorpio. So you will be in your own power. No one is going to interrupt your peace of mind. No one is helping you. No one is making you feel like yes, they are there, they are with you, and they are going to help you out. So you are taking charge of your own life, and you are making your decision yourself. And this is movement, choices, and decisions as well. So there are lots of decisions you have to make. There are lots of choices that you have to make. You have to be very, very clear about this thing, Scorpio. Otherwise you are going to feel exhausted, or you are going to feel like no one is helping me. So you have to be your own god. You have to be your own mentor. Then you have to make solid choices in your life, solid decision in your life. Then there's wish of fulfillment card. What I can say is in the second week of December, Scorpio, there is something good coming to you. There is something that you always wanted to. There's wish fulfillment here. So fingers crossed, one of your wishes are going to be true for you, Scorpio. Okay. And in the third week of December, what we can see is there's a little disruption in the third week of December. You have to choose very, very wisely. In the second week, I told you have to make so many decisions of your life. You have to choose between so many things, among so many things. So you have to choose wisely, Scorpio. You have to choose very, very wisely. There's a waiting game. There's something that you're waiting for from a very long time, and that is not happening with you. And so you might be feeling a little low about that particular thing. You might be feeling, no, this is not working for me. The universe is not helping me, and blah, blah, blah. But with these things, the waiting game, choosing wisely, with these things you are going to get the wisdom that you need. Okay, you are going to get the knowledge that you need to make the decisions wisely in your life. That is what's happening in the third week of December, Scorpio. So you have to be very, very patient. You have to choose everything very, very wisely, because your life depends on that, Scorpio. Okay, and you have to wait for the right time. The waiting game is there. I know waiting is the most disgusting thing that can happen to anybody, and no one is ready to wait for anything, right? No one is no one is patient enough, okay? But you have to be patient, Scorpio, and the wisdom is coming to you. You are already a wise person, I know that, but the wisdom that you need for making the choices in your life is coming to you, and you are going to be, happy at the end. Okay, so in the last week of December is kind of standing your ground kind of thing. So you have to stand your ground, Scorpio, no matter what happens to you, no matter what other people say, no matter what others are forcing you to do. Please don't do that. You have to stand your own ground. You have to stay within your own limits, stay within your own belief system. You don't have to follow others just because they are saying it to you. They are forcing it on you. Okay, so you have to be completely on your ground. You have to stand your own ground. You have to sacrifice. Sacrifice is kind of it is not kind of sacrifice that you have to die or you have to kill somebody. No, it is kind of sacrifice that you have to meet with yourself. You have to sacrifice something negative from your life to make it more positive. Okay, maybe you have to sacrifice that alcohol thing, maybe you have to sacrifice that negative thinking thing, or maybe you have to sacrifice something, your old belief. There's something that you have to sacrifice and you know it better, but you have to let go. Okay, you have to let go of something to create space for something new in your life. Okay, and there's accelerated motion. You might be traveling to some other city for work. Obviously you are going to work every day, so that is not kind of traveling I'm telling you. This is kind of traveling that is related to job, basically what I can see. You have to travel in the last week of December, and this is going to help you. Eventually it will uplift your mood, or maybe you are going on a trip, on a short trip, or maybe you are New Year's coming, maybe you are partying with your friends, maybe you are doing something very, very good. And accelerated motion kind is, what I can say is, it is kind of card that will help you to grow, that will help you to grow financially as well. So accelerated motion is in various parts of life. It is not for one aspect of life, it is for various parts of life. So one part of your life is going to be highlight of your life. So you are going to move on very, very fastly in that particular area of your life. Okay, so this is the reading for December 2020, and the message from the universe is spiritual union. Spiritual union is coming to you, Scorpio. What I can feel is this is not kind of union of a relationship, a man or woman kind of spiritual union. That can also happen, obviously, but what I can see is your relationship with the divine is going to be a factor in your life in December 2020. You are going to awaken yourself. You are going to feel like everything is getting new for you. Everything is coming out of the shell, and you are growing. Eventually you are growing. You are feeling like, yes, this is the new me, this is the new normal for me. Okay, this is what's happening with you. This is the what universe wants to tell you, that everything is happening for you for a reason. So there are lots of things that you have to handle before proceeding further in your life, Scorpio. Okay, so keep in mind, you have to be patient. You are already wise, but the wisdom from the universe is also coming for you. There is fulfillment of wishes, there is pregnancy, there is celebration. Everything is good for you in December 2020, except this mental conflict thing that is going on in your mind. Okay, so you have to take care of that. Otherwise everything is good for you, Scorpio. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, comment in the comment section, and thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.